One day during each third-year food animal rotation at Mississippi State University's College of Veterinary Medicine, students load into a university van and travel across the state to visit the catfish industry. Catfish is the #2 food animal in Mississippi, exceeded only by chickens. So we introduce and emphasize fish as food animals and not as exotics or companion animals. However, we do offer an aquarium fish elective to seniors, and many students participate in externships at large commercial aquaria. The MSU group leaves our Starkville campus at 6:30 a.m. heading west on Highway 82. At the beginning of their rotation, the students receive a case scenario and some reading material in preparation for this event. During the drive, students work through the case with a lot of faculty direction. We review the impact of water quality on fish health and point out unique aspects for aquatic animal health management while drawing on their background in terrestrial animal health. This discussion leads to a review of the various agents that produce diseases of economic importance to fish farmers, as well as prevention and therapeutic approaches. Basically, we hold class at 65 to 70 miles per hour. During the morning, we visit Tackett Fish Farms in Slaughter, Mississippi, the largest catfish farm in the world. It's a 30,000-acre family farm that includes 8,000 acres of water for catfish farming. The farm is a completely vertically integrated agricultural operation. They raise row crops and participate in a cooperative catfish feed mill and several fish processing plants. They also operate their own brood fish and hatchery operations and a trucking business. We meet with the farm's operation manager for a short presentation and a question and answer session. We usually visit the farm's hatchery and, in season, handle fish eggs and fry. Also, while on the farm, we observe some of their daily activities, such as feeding, seining, loading, and moving fish. Then it's on to the Thad Cochran Warm Water Aquaculture Center on the grounds of the MSU Delta Branch Experiment Station in Stoneville. Near Stoneville, we pass through Leland, the childhood home of Jim Henson. In fact, it was on Deer Creek at the experiment station where he met Kermit the Frog. MSU's College of Veterinary Medicine has 3 faculty members stationed at the center. They operate the Fish Diagnostic Laboratory, which is part of the Mississippi Veterinary Research and Diagnostic Laboratory System. The lab serves the Mississippi River Delta catfish industry, which includes fish farms in Mississippi, Arkansas, and some in North Louisiana. The vast majority of all catfish raised in America come from the Southeast. Other faculty and scientists at the Aquaculture Center work for the Mississippi Agriculture and Forestry Experiment Station, the MSU Extension Service, and the USDA. Next, we visit a local restaurant for lunch with the faculty, and then we adjourn to the Fish Diagnostic Lab for an afternoon of Catfish Jeopardy! The students are warned there's a quiz in Stoneville, but little do they know that Dr. Pat Gaunt has devised a computer-based review session based on the TV game show Jeopardy! Students are separated into 2 teams. They select from categories like infectious diseases, water quality, and catfish trivia. Everyone participates and learns or reinforces the material that was addressed during discussion of the case on the van trip to Stoneville. The winning team gets to select the stopping point for the ride home, which is usually Baskin-Robbins or the Indianola Pecan House. It's a long day, but a great learning experience for our students, and one that is perhaps unique to Mississippi State University due to our proximity to the catfish industry.